Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Apurva, and warm greetings to come here on my channel again. So, today's review video is going to be about Centella and Niacinamide review. This is the serum from Dr. Sheth's. So now you might already be having so many videos on the net about this particular serum, but I wanted to share my genuine opinions and thoughts about the serum because I am that typical oily girl having severe acne scars, and I think there are many girls in my community who think 10 times before applying any serum onto their skin, thinking that it might flare up the acne and create more scars, and they do not want to create more issues in their life than they already have. So that is why I really wanted to come here and talk about my experience regarding this serum. Now, this is the Centella Acetica and Niacinamide serum. It consists of 10% niacinamide and about 1% of zinc with 0.1% of sodium hyaluronate. Now, it comes in a 30 ml bottle, and the packaging is quite decent, and I like that it is very sturdy. It is a glass bottle in which it comes, and there are not any claims as such that are written on the bottle itself. There are only directions and ingredients that are mentioned on the bottle. But as we all know that niacinamide is very good for maintenance of the skin for oily and acne prone girls specifically, because it controls the sebum production and it thereby improves the quality of the skin, reduces breakout. And that's why I feel that many girls tend to gravitate towards this product. But is this Dr. Sheth's product worth the hype? We will find it out. Definitely. So yeah, I have been using this product since past 4 to 5 months. As you all can see, I'm already halfway through. I hope you all are able to see. If you all are not, I'm honestly telling you all I'm already halfway through. Now, the consistency of this serum is slightly oil based. If you all have used minimalist serum, you all know that they're very watery and very water based. They get absorbed into your skin like within a few seconds and they feel nothing onto the skin. However, this serum from Dr. Sheth, it feels slightly oily and a bit more nourishing. Now, since I have oily skin, I applied it on my skin, and frankly, I did not feel that it was any harm to the skin per se, thinking in the fact that whether it makes our skin more oily or so. No, it doesn't make our skin more oily. I have been religiously using this in my AM as well as in my PM skin routine around about 4 days in a week, if not every day. Followed it up with a moisturizer. If I'm using it in the AM routine, I make sure I apply sunscreen to the skin. Now, there is one thing that I want to tell everybody about this serum. Whenever I apply this serum in the morning and I step out of my room for work or just outside, or even if I like just happen to meet my colleagues on the way, I have gotten opinions from them saying, what have you done, your skin is glowing. So this serum, when you apply on the daytime, it gives that subtle glow to your face instantly, even though it's not a vitamin C serum, but it really adds a very good healthy glow to your skin. So that's an additional point, right? And yeah, talking about the other profits of this serum, that is the acne control. Yeah, my acne occurrence has significantly reduced. Now I get one or two pimple here and there, that is around my menses or so, which is completely acceptable and it's fine. No product need to suppress my hormonal acne as such. One or two here and there, but my acne occurrence has reduced. Secondly, the dark spots that those acnes leave when I apply this serum for like a period of 2 days, 3 days, those dark spots completely vanish off. So this has worked really well on my dark spots. I do not see it working anywhere around my scars. Like it has not worked on my scar. It generally reduces dark spots and it generally improves the quality of the skin. It gives you that healthy glow to your skin. It maintains a good texture to your skin. Those bumpy patches that you have on your face, they tend to go away with continuous use of this serum. So yeah, it costs about 649 rupees, but do not ever buy Dr. Sheth's products on their MRP price because there are constantly sales going on. So I think I got it for some 30% off. And do you Do I think that it's worth it? Yes, definitely it is worth every single penny that you invest in the serum. Will I repurchase it? 100% yes. In fact, I might just finish it off in another 2 months and I need to buy a backup for it. Do I recommend it to oily, acne prone, scarred girls? Hell yes. Go there and buy the serum. It will not work on your scars, but it will definitely improve the appearance of your skin, looking more youthful and glowy, and it will definitely help you feel more confident about your skin. And yeah, that's all about the niacinamide serum from Dr. Sheth's. I think I've covered all the points. Do I have any like cons about it? If y'all are those oily acne prone girls who really do not like those, those a little bit oily consistency serum, then I think you all need to try this and then look for yourself. But otherwise, just go and get the serum. It will work really good for you. So yeah, that's all about this niacinamide and centella serum from Dr. Sheth's. I'm totally loving it, and I think you girls out there will also love it too. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you'll enjoy it. I hope you all found it helpful. If you all did, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help in any way. All you scarred girls out there, our scars are beautiful. Please embrace it. We will come through it victorious. Bye bye.